And thank you for tuning in to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. Today in PE Design 11, I'm going to show you how to adjust your sewing order to show by color order. As you can see on my screen, I have a few different shapes with similar colors on my screen, and if you look into my sewing order, everything is broken out. Each individual object is broken out. So I'm going to select everything, and then I'm going to go up into my sewing order and I'm going to go to the zoom button. It looks like a square with other squares inside of it on the upper left hand portion of your sewing order menu. You click on the drop arrow and click on show by color order, and as you can see, it grouped all of the similar colors into one. So my two reds are in 1 and 1.2, and my green is in 2 and 2.2, and yellow, and so on and so forth. In my zipper pouch tutorial, I showed you how to split out some points and to copy and paste it. Let's select on that object that I created, and then I will go up to my select point tool, select my points, and I'm going to click on all 4 corners like I did in the previous tutorial. And I'm going to split at each point. And the last one. Shapes, split at point. And then in the sewing order, I'm going to scroll down. If you see the plus button, we'll go ahead and click on that. And then I will remove the 2 sides. Select object and delete it, and I'll do that for the other side. Click on the plus, find the other side I wish to delete, select the object, click on delete, and that will allow me to right click and select the object so that I can go home and I can copy, paste it, change it a different color. Now we're going to have that actually be a running stitch because it was just designed for an outline. And I'll change the color to something else. And it's changed. And let's just, for the fun of it, go ahead and resize it. Go home, go size, and say we just want it to be 1 inch instead of 1 1/4 inches. And click OK. And as you can see, it resized it to a smaller shape. I hope this has helped you learn how to sort out your sewing order by color. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Thank you for watching, and may your bobbin always be full.